Hello everyone, I myself Rajat Pithadia. I am someone who is very much involved in psychology since years. I am doing counseling, emotional counselings with people over here in Rajkot. I also provide Ayurvedic solutions, natural solutions. I am into meditation and yoga. I teach meditation also. And moreover, I am also into a firm which is called Essence IT Solutions. We provide different kinds of business solutions including recruitment, employment and everything else. We also give solutions like marketing, branding and all. But today I am going to talk about something which is a very productive aid in the market today, which is DMIT report. And insights are someone who have brought this pioneer into Rajkot. And I would like to say that it is a very essential report in terms of personal and professional, both of our needs. In case of personal needs, it helps in clarifying your mind, it helps in knowing yourself, knowing what kind of features you are born with, your skills and your hidden talents. Right, because in psychology we say we have acquired traits with people we have cherished our life with. Right. So more people we interact, the greater we live, we acquire traits from other people. In that we forget our original traits, right? So those original traits can be found from the fingerprints in your hand. And Insights Life Path has developed a very good software. I have myself tested the fingerprint report, and I have found that 90% of the things correlate with your life. It explains your hidden mindset. It also explains you in which cases you should strengthen your things, where your weaknesses are there. Right. So it helps in developing a sense of knowing, a sense of understanding yourself. So for personal field, I would like to suggest that it is a very good software and a solution, because not only the software gives a theoretical result, but after that when you go for a counseling, the counseling takes around 2 hours, but it will explain you thoroughly about how your mind works, what are your likes and dislikes, what do you need in life. It will explain you your perfect career path. Okay, because otherwise there are a few times when you say you choose a career, then you see trial and error, you didn't like the career, you switch the career. So switching careers gives too much loss in time, energy and effort. So to reduce this time, energy and effort, the Insight Career Path have developed this an awesome software, and it also helps to understand your internal needs, where you feel happy, where you feel contented, right? So it is a very good software. In terms of matchmaking, it is very good to know your partner. So before marriage, if you want to see the compatibility check is also very good. It can help in understanding the opposite person's need, how their mind is working internally. Okay, otherwise you spend 3 to 4 months in knowing that person. But rather to know that person, do that DMIT report, give your fingerprints, give their fingerprints, they correlate with each other, and then take a 1 hour counseling. They'll totally explain you whether you would work out or not. And talking about the professional front, in business front, it is very useful in employment to know which employee has which skill, where to put him. Like if some people have good organization skill and few people have good management and team work, so team leader skills. So you can arrange your employees by their efficiency. Otherwise, HR people cost you a very much of burden. They don't handle people nicely. You have a loss of employees. Then again you find people. Then again employment charges. So it is better to do DMIT report, see which employee has which skill, and give them specific work. So for that the organization will also improve, and you will retain your employees because you are giving them work which they like. Okay. So talking about professional front, this was it. In personal front also, it is very good to enhance your mindset, to know more about yourself, what things you like. Okay. So it is a 360-degree tool, and I would like to suggest everyone that they should do at least once DMIT report, know themselves, know their need of life, know what they want, and know thyself. Okay. Thank you.